Hi, it's Miss Hammar again. Okay, I'm here with Jesus in my homemade sailboat. And we are going to make a cloud storm. Now let me show you the things that you'll need. You'll need to get a jar, a mason jar, with some lukewarm water or tap water, some shaving cream, and some food coloring. Or you could, I had gel food coloring, so I had to put some water in it so it could, and kind of stir it up. We're going to make a cloud, and we're going to see what happens as we put the food coloring in. So, we're going to put some shaving cream on top of the water in the jar to where it almost kind of just sticks up a little bit above there we go. Okay, now it might take a few minutes, but now we're going to not use the spoon. We're just gonna take the food coloring and pour it in there. So you're gonna put a few drops onto there, and then we're going to watch the water. Look, it's a storm. It's actually beginning to seep through. I guess we kind of need to put it in there, don't we? Coming out all over the sides. Let's see if the blue will actually come into the well, the blue is not making it in there yet, is it? Let's see if it'll trickle in a minute. Let's see. Let's watch. Let's see if the blue will come down through the clouds. Sometimes it takes a few minutes, but we'll see if it starts to come through. Maybe we'll wiggle the jar a little bit. The red seeps through really pretty. I don't know. Maybe it's not enough in there, you think? Maybe we needed to add more food coloring. I don't know. Let's try the red again. Let's see if we can do the red. See if it'll come through. Kind of have to look up under there to see. Let's keep watching just a second. Wow! There it is. Okay, I want you all to remember Jesus does calm our fears and the storms of our life. Bye, guys.